Hello everyone, this is Haldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Profitec Espresso machine. It comes to the store with big leak from the bottom, and the machine has it needs a tune-up. When I tested, I figured out here's the how it looks like the shower screen even after I tried to back flush it while I'm testing and clean it. Look at the gasket. It's really hard, and so I did a tune-up for the machine, and I even replaced this diffuser in here. It's not something I can clean it and make it shiny again, so I just replace it. And I replaced this vacuum release valve. It was leaks time to time, and there was a big leak on the top of the pro boiler. The elbow fitting was leaking, and where the thermal sensor also was leaking from there, and there was a leak coming from the other. There is another tube going there, so I resealed all of them, and I took off the water level sensor probe from the steam boiler to clean it and reseal it again. Descale the machine 2 times and get deep cleaning for the group head and the steam one, hot water and the hot water filter too. Even the portafilter get clean. So, and I put nice new silicone gasket and new shower screen in here. So let's go ahead and make espresso shot on it. It pulls amazing shot. This is what I got in 35 seconds. This is 3 layers of coffee with thick crema on it. Very tasty. So let's test the steamer. That works perfect. And the hot water. That works great too, and it's responding right away. Start refilling, because get clean the water level sensor probe. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.